Welcome to the Teknobi channel. On October 29, 2018 Turkish President Erdogan inaugurated the Istanbul Grand Airport, or also called Istanbul New Airport. Istanbul Grand Airport. This is an international airport, the world's largest, and its construction, including one of the fastest in the world. The following is an airport mega project. Largest and most expensive air built by Turkey. Construction of the Istanbul Grand Airport. Airport, or abbreviated as DG. This aims to replace Ataturk Airport, Old Istanbul, which is over 60 years old. In addition to the capacity of the airport, ATA has also reached the maximum limit. Meanwhile, the number of passengers is increasing every year, so need a new airport that is bigger in size. IG development also aims to where to open new jobs. When finished all later, as much 220,000 people will be employed. This IG location is located 35 kilometers from the city Istanbul and occupies a land area of 76.5 million m2, as well as to make designs. The IKEA airport took about 4 years. The total cost of this construction reached $12 billion, can accommodate as many as 200 million passengers annually. The development of this airport consists of 4 phases. For the first phase, already completed and inaugurated on October 29, 2018. In the first phase begins with the ceremony fast laying AMA on June 7 year 2014, but new construction started in May 2015 and finished in October 2018 in just 42 months. By that time, the development phase. The first is development. Fastest in the world wherever. Takes about 10 years. In the first phase of the development process, starting with the process of excavation, or excavations, in which as much as 700,000 cubic meters soil is excavated and moved by trucks every day. The excavated site is a former existing coal mining site, deprecated and processed. The excavation required as many as 1,453 trucks. During the construction of the first phase, as much 12,400 test speed drilled test bed, i.e. holes dug prior to construction, which serves to help ensure conditions suitable for building projects. Then as much 3,159 construction equipment and about 85 tower crane is used in this project, and the work is carried out non-stop for 24 hours. About 750 million cubic meters of excavated land, 320,000,000 excavated land removed, and 7 million cubic meters of concrete were used in this first phase of the project. In the construction of the EG airport terminal, it has heavy columns, each consisting of 180 tons of 33 tons of reinforcing steel and 8,550 steel used. The main terminal in this first phase, built with a passenger capacity of 98 passengers per year and has an area of 1.4 million square meters, thus making it as airport terminal building under one, the biggest roof in the world. On the construction of the Eiffel Tower control at this airport has a shape. The tower's unique arch has a height of 90 meters and is in an area of 6,085 square meters, so that makes it as the world's largest air traffic control tower. And this tower is designed to look like tulips, symbolize wealth, cultural heritage and symbol of the Turkish state. Then for the tunnel at the airport, this IG has a 2 long tunnel km, which consists of 13 km for the place mechanics of electrical premises and systems, waterways, as well as 6 km for passenger baggage. For fuel system development, built along 12 kilometers using underground canals and underground pipes. It works for streaming Fuel from the 10th port of the tank. Giant fuel that is in this airport. With the system will be able to reduce shipping costs and fuel transportation compared by transporting fuel by land. Then the electric power system on. This airport uses generators. Own power generator, which serves to provide electrical energy requirements to operate the airport. Even the electrical energy generated by the generator is able to meet the electricity needs of several cities in Turkey. Network and information systems on. This airport has also been used. The most advanced technology and cables used for this system has length of 4,500 kilometers made of cables copper and 2,500 kilometers made of KB super. Then in the second phase of development airport he is going to add runway, third independent runway and fourth independent runway. Then the third phase is planned to add a second passenger terminal with a capacity of 60 million passengers annually and is estimated to be widespread. The second terminal is about 960,000 square meters. As for the fourth phase or phase, lastly we'll add a runway again and the construction of a satellite terminal with a total capacity of 50 million passengers annually and has an area of 800,000 square meters. IG's airport will be able to serve more of 300 flight routes as well. Become the largest airport in the world. Passenger capacity category when finished later. And in this IG airport later, passengers will be able to make transactions. Artificial intelligence robots and face recognition.